Hi everyone, I'm Silvia and today I'm going to be your private guide tour through Thetford factory. Currently we are in the sanitation hall. Here we produce cassette toilets, service doors and Fresh-up Set. And that's where we are right now, in the assembly line of the Fresh-up Set. Here we produce the Fresh-up Set for all the Thetford toilets available. So a Fresh-up Set consists of a waste holding tank and a sit and cover. So here we are in the cassette toilet production. Here we produce 4 different kind of models of toilets. How can we recognize it? For the color of the accents. C400 and C500, we can recognize them for the green color. C220, we can recognize it for the blue color. And the C260, we can recognize it for the orange color. Shall we go to see how we actually build the cassette toilet? We will see in the C260 production line. So first part is building the waste holding tank, which actually we don't produce it, but we assemble it. We receive all the parts ready from the supplier, which they were previously designed by the Thetford colleagues. So, waste holding tank. First part is having the upper part and the lower part with the help of the welding machine that warms the edges, and they are put together until they are perfectly sealed. Afterwards, it goes to the first stop of the assembly line, where we are going to put some spare parts like the waste holding tank plank, the spare outspout, or the indicator level mechanism. After that, the waste holding tank, it's tested for leakages. So how is this working? Simple but really efficient test. We put air pressure inside of the waste holding tank, we put it under the water, and if no bubbles come out, that's a good sign, no leakages. And then the waste holding tank goes to the next stop, where the rest of the parts are going to be included, like the wheels or the handle. Now the waste holding tank is ready, and it's going to be brought at the end of the production line of the toilets. Let's go now to see how the toilet itself is built. So we are here in the assembly line of the C260 toilet. The cassette toilets are built in one-piece flow. That means that we have different working stations where some spare parts are going to be added and then passed to the next station. First one, it's going to be the base of the toilet. Afterwards, the bowl is going to be added. Then, the tubes and hoses are going to be added. Also, some cabling will be included. Afterwards, we are going to include the base frame of the toilet. And then at the end, the last stop, we are going to add the control panel and also the waste holding tank. That's going to be when the toilet is finished. And after this moment, the toilet is going to be tested, both functionally and electronically. And here we see how they are testing the flush of this toilet. After this moment, the toilets are going to be packed and they are going to be placed on the pallet. And from here, that's the end of the cassette toilet, or maybe I can say the start of the cassette toilet.